Rossi's running wide. Of course, he loses it. Boom. There you go.
That could have been the long one.
We're back, clearing off. Oh, it was a big crash right at the back. It's Axel Pons who goes down, bike in the middle of the track. Oh, and that's Mike Di Meglio, not Mike Di Meglio, who's replaced him. Oh my goodness, this is going to be red flags. This is going through red flag. We're going to get a restart. It was Axel Pons, his bike was down.
You'll see it take part at any moment. That was
Pons, I'll tell you what,
down.
Cortese, Gino Rio was lucky to miss it, definitely. And it is Imamuddin who hit the bike straight away. And at the back, Iturias. The bikes were going down as well. Someone else being brought.
Well, just down here.
Oh, massive moment! He's crashed. Oh, okay, Lorenzo, that's a huge one there. He was trying to get through, but James had.
Oh, there's been a big crash there. A huge crash there. That's number 60.
That's Julian Simon.
Go. This is in turn 2.
Oh. Shows what an amazing job the air fence can do as well, doesn't it?
O Marcos não pode entrar esse tipo de tombo, ó, injetou, tá vendo? Esse tipo de tombo quebra osso, perdeu a frente.
Batista here.
Yeah.
Big high side, snapped him right off. Unfortunately, Scotty was able to get up and walk away.
Yeah, this is
Of course, between Gibernal.